So I'm in the Ecology, Evolution, and Behavior PhD program at Boise State, and my larger project that the horned lark research is a part of is looking at kind of the social and ecological effects of recreation out here at this site. We're at the Morley Nelson Snake River Birds of Prey National Conservation Area, which is just south of Boise. It's public land, so there's a bunch of different uses out here. There's recreation, there's a National Guard training center, and there's a lot of research that goes on out here. So what we're doing out here is monitoring the nesting success of horned larks. When we come out to try to find the nests, what we're doing is wandering through the habitat that looks promising and looking for birds. A lot of times the way that we find a pair of birds is listening to the male singing. So that's sort of generally the first clue that there's some birds there. But what we're really hoping to find is a female, because with horned larks, the females are the ones that are building the nest and incubating. So during those two stages, those are the birds that are going to actually lead us to the nest. The sort of main thing that we're looking for is to see if there's a difference in nesting success based on the amount of human disturbance from recreation, while we also control for other factors like the vegetation or the time that they're nesting during the season. And what we're hoping to do with that is, one, to provide like a comparison to the long-billed curlews that are studied in those same sites to see this sort of more widespread common species, if it's also being affected by that human disturbance. And that can hopefully provide some information about how sometimes these species that we think of as being fine and like not of any concern, very common and widespread, can still be impacted by our activities.